be the Passholder Preview of Velocicoaster. We are so excited. This is their newest coaster. It's got a huge top hat drop, lots of twists, turns, barrel rolls. It's very early in the morning. Our pass doesn't start for another 30 minutes or so. We're gonna go check out Camp Jurassic.
Yeah.
Because it's reopened lately. And see you over there.
All right.
Let's go have some fun. Alright, let's go this way. I've never been back here, have you?
Nope, this is my first time.
Oh man, this place is really cool already.
First time for everything.
Oh, it's super quiet. Oh, what's back here?
Let's go into the community.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh, that cave's blocked. Oh man, there's so many places in here. Wow. Oh, look at this. Oh, I wonder if we can get up there. Oh man, they're gonna escort us back. Oh no. Oh, I like that. You know what? This is my new favorite place. Look at this. It's like we're in Jurassic Park. I bet this place is really cool at night.
Oh, I wonder if they would have added like Velociraptor noise, this would make this place a little creepy.
Maybe a little bush movement off to the side.
Yeah. Should we go
that way?
Yeah.
All right. Wait, let me see what the sign says first. Oh, it's telling you how to exit. Because, man, you could get lost back here. Oh, what is that?
Oh, man. She's like... ah, there you go. You gonna get that one? Oh.
Oh my god.
Did you try the little one? Oh my gosh, that was loud in my ear. Oh my god.
Okay, so it looks like we can't go up. Well, then how do you get to that slide? I won't fit in that slide anyway, but how do you get up there? Oh well, we'll just explore the caves. Oh my gosh, it is so cool in here. Oh, there it goes. Oh, somehow we made it up. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, this place is awesome. And there's the Pterodon Flyers, the ride we can't ride. If anybody has a kid that's little, $5 each ride. Little. Oh, I like this vantage point. Whee! We found the upstairs where you can splash people with the hoses.
I don't even know how we got here.
I don't even know how we got here either. But we made it. We've explored. This is a really cool place. You guys should definitely come visit it now that it's open.
A lot to explore here.
You could get lost in here for hours, and I want to come back at night and see how cool it is at night. All right, let's head over to River Adventure and cool off a little bit because now we're hot.
Right?
So, yeah. All right, River Adventure is open with only a 15-minute wait, so let's go get a little wet. It is already pretty warm. It's already about 80 degrees, so this is gonna feel really good.
It's a warm-up coaster.
Yeah, usually when we do a big coaster like Riptide Rocket or the Hulk, we'll do the Mummy first. There's no warm-up coaster today, so this is it.
This is it.
That was a good, quick soak. It was fun. It is now our time to go back.
It's our time.
It's our time to go to Velocicoaster, so let's get going.
Let's do this.
We're going to show you how to get here to the Velocicoaster from the front of the park. So hang tight, we'll see you over there.
All right.
All right, when you come in, you go off to the left. You go through Marble Island, head on past the Toon area, Go past Kong. You're gonna go past River Adventure, past all the arcade games, past the Discovery Center. Keep on heading this way. Once you see the Jurassic Park popcorn stand, you're gonna go down this way. All right, so this is a technical rehearsal. Everything may not be working. It may stop or pause because it's just a rehearsal. So hopefully we'll still get the full experience though.
Right.
Alright, we just passed the checkpoint where we had to show our passes, we had to show our IDs, we had to show our code, our email. So we're in now. We're gonna give you a really cool tour of the line. And then this has metal detectors.
Yeah, so you get to go through the queue first, and then right when you get to the right before you get to the ride, you have to put your stuff in the locker, and then the metal detectors. You have to make sure you have everything else.
So we will not be able to take you on the ride, but we'll see you after. And let's see how cool this queue line is.
We're coming to say. I like it.
Okay, this is the harness style. Make sure you fit before you waste all that time in line. They also have the size of the lockers here, so you can make sure your bag and stuff will fit. That's nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's just right.
It's just right. Like you fit in there just right.
Oh, and I'm green.
Where you see green?
Right here.
Oh, it lights up green.
Yeah, it shows up where.
Right, lift it up a little bit. Okay.
And then about.
Oh, there it is. So it goes red, green. Okay.
Yeah. So.
Awesome. So is it more of a? It's a thigh thing, right?
Yeah. It's
right.
more of a thigh.
6 thighs. All right. Let's go ahead and get in line and get in the queue and see what's popping in there.
It's comfortable too.
It's comfortable?
Yeah.
All right. As long as it holds me in, that's all I care about. Thank you. Good morning. Very, very large queue area. Something's happening.
Flip the switch to something that turns on the light. We'll bring this.
It's getting me all panicked. I'm super panicked.
I'm super hyped.
What? Uh-oh. Okay, it's flashing red. Here we go. Oh my god! It's so loud. Oh shit.
We have painstakingly leveraged our existing and growing knowledge of avian and reptile biology, developing the foundations of this groundbreaking paleo-veterinary science that was designed and developed right here.
And he just
in order
killed
to
so many
formulate the
people.
complex game plan and maintain.
Oh my gosh, look, it's the Dinosaur Detective book
And now,
by Alan Grant.
you can take advantage of the opportunity all this
Dr. Ian
provides
Malcolm, How the World
to
Will
see
End.
these raptors.
I love
in
this.
close play.
Oh my gosh. lockers. They have dinosaurs on them, so you can remember you are Triceratops number 5. And they're the same size as all the other lockers. So you already know if your stuff fits in the other lockers, they're the same size. So when you come down and get your stuff out of your lockers, this right here is the door where the metal detectors were. So you're gonna come right through here if you have child swap into the family room. And if you can't climb the stairs, there are 2 flights of stairs. They have an elevator. Oh look. That was a fun ride.
It was so fun.
I'm still trying to catch my breath. Okay, so where we left you, we walked up 2 flights of stairs. So they have an elevator if you can't walk up the stairs. And then there was a screen, a huge screen showing Claire and Grady Owen. She's basically like, hey, welcome to this new attraction. And he's like, this is a bad idea. What are you doing? This is stupid.
It was
You're
like
in danger.
It was funny, informative.
It was their back and forth banter, just like in the movies. So we stayed, we watched the whole show. It was very cute, very cool. And then you go right into the line. Basically, it's right there. So if you have big items, they have big lockers for you to rent to pay for. Otherwise, the free ones fit our stuff just fine. You do have an umbrella.
Yeah, it's a very long umbrella, and they'll hold it for you, just like they'll do like with the mummy or anything like that. You just give it to them, and they'll hold on to it till you get back off. Yeah, if you got a long umbrella, a walking cane, a walking stick, you just give it to the person on the other side of the aisle when you're getting sat down. I'm wearing a dress for science, and the dress did come up over the handlebar a bunch, but I think if you tuck it in between your legs, you should be good. It's definitely a thigh fit. If you've got big thighs and a big overlapping belly, I would do the test seat first. Just in case.
Right, so your thighs fit. You've got some pretty big thighs.
Yeah,
very
mine's
muscular.
Mine's fit. Now they will, when you get ready to sit down, they will push on a little bit as well, just to secure it a little bit more.
Like on Hagrid's, they don't. They're like, just pull it down. If you can't pull it down all the way, then you can't ride. But this one, they pushed it.
Yeah, to make sure.
To make sure.
Because you're gonna need for it to be secure.
And everybody was so excited.
Oh God.
Lined up along the side waiting for the first row. We got second row.
I mean, second row was still fun.
Oh my gosh, second row was so good. So the first row's here, and then the second row's a little bit above it, and then the third row, and then the fourth row. So you could see over to see what was coming a little bit. But when you first pull out, you pull right into the raptor paddock.
Oh God.
And it's like shaking and it's loud, and you can see them banging on the doors trying to get out, and then they start running, and then you hear, and it powers the.
Oh my God! Let me tell you. So, like you said, when you get in there, it's all shaking. You're like, oh God! Like I thought something was gonna pop out at us. I thought like
a jump scare.
Yeah, I thought it was. But then when we took off, I was like, oh my God! I didn't even have time to like collect what was going on.
No time at all. I mean, it was just fast.
Yeah, you're too busy screaming and hanging on rather than trying to like see everything. If you're able to see everything, more props to you.
I did see a few Velociraptors, and as you pass the Velociraptor sculptures, there's loudspeakers and it makes the Velociraptor noise at you. So it was scary, and it was fun, and it was fast. And I thought, see, okay, I am a scared of big drops person. You are a scared of loops person.
Yeah.
So I thought that top hat was going to be really rough. And I feel like if we sat in the back row, the momentum would have got us and we would have went down really fast. But because we were in row 2, it wasn't that bad.
At all.
At all. It was fun. It was exhilarating.
It was smooth.
The thing that got me was when we did the barrel roll over the water, and I went, whoo!
It was fun though, because you barrel roll through it fast, so it's not like one of those you're waiting to fall asleep. No, it doesn't feel like that at all. And
because there's no shoulder harnesses, I thought it was going to be scary. It was actually really free to be able to just have nothing here and just hold on with your thighs.
Yeah. You gotta have some thigh muscles.
It's more secure though than Rip Ride Rocket. I don't know how to explain it. Like it covers your both thighs.
Yeah.
Rip Ride Rocket is just the one little thing that comes over. This actually conforms to your legs, and it feels secure, and it feels good.
Yeah.
And it feels safe.
Trust. So anybody that has like anxiety about that,
yeah, no,
you're good.
You're not going anywhere. And
No.
as a matter of fact, the bigger your thighs are, the better. Because I felt like my legs weren't going anywhere because I got some big thighs too. So
the shakiness of the ride, it wasn't really much shake to it. So if you're worried about like banging your head against the seat,
there was no shake at all.
Yeah, no, I think I might have just a little bit, but that was just when we were going up.
Yeah,
but,
so a few of our friends have back and neck problems where shaky roller coasters, they can't do them. The only thing I want to say to that is keep your head back against the seat, because when you take off, you take off.
Yeah.
It's a lot like Hagrid's, but it's faster. So keep your head
on
back
steroids.
and just, you know, keep your spine straight. It's not shaky at all.
Yeah, it is very smooth. It's very smooth.
Super smooth. All right, when you get off the ride, something really cool about this right now is that you put your stuff in one side of the lockers and then the exit's on the other side, and so you're just opening the other side of the locker and pulling your stuff out from the other side.
It keeps the traffic going.
It does. It's a smooth in and out process. And then as soon as you get out, of course they had pictures. You can buy your picture print for $21, or you can buy this with a cool frame for $26. It was like $28 with tax.
Yeah.
So
I mean, I had to get it. It was our first time riding it. Oh, keep in mind, since it does open up on June 10th, if you're looking to get on this, I suggest getting up super early.
But we don't know if it's going to be virtual line or not. I have a feeling it's going to be virtual line.
Yeah, especially if Hagrid's already...
So they're switching over right now. Hagrid's isn't really a virtual line much anymore. Like right now, it's a virtual line, or you can just go wait in line.
Yeah.
So I have a feeling they're kind of switching that over the next month in preparation for this being a virtual line only. All right, that has been our trek out to the Passholder preview of Velocicoaster. So much fun.
I recommend it.
A full fun day, full fun morning of dinosaurs. Thank you so much for trekking with us. If you want to plan a vacation here to Universal or Disney World or SeaWorld, let us know. We're travel agents. We'd love to help you. And that's it for us today. Thank you so much for trekking with us, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.